Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to your final day of the first week's phonics. Today, we're going to be using Phonics Spotter to find all the alternatives for the ear sound, and then we're going to be using Countdown and your memories to practice all the different graphenes of the air sound. So, you need to go and get your whiteboards and pens ready for starting, and when we start again, I'll be sharing the phoneme spotter. Okay, so the graphenes that we're going to be practicing today that you're going to be looking for in the text are ear, ear, and ear. Now this is the text. Now the way this works, grown-ups, is I'll put a PDF of this page for you to print if you want to, but alternatively your child could write down the words which use that ear graphene. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples to start off with, and then you can have a go at doing it yourselves. And then after that, once you start the video again, you'll be able to see where they are, because I'm going to go through them. Okay, so the deer and the meerkat. So that's the idea. What you need to do now is go through and spot those graphenes. So pause the video, and when you're ready, we'll start again. Welcome back, Year 1. I bet you've done a brilliant job with this. So one day, Monty the meerkat was out looking for some food. He was near the original ear sound, a clear lake, and ran over to find a worm in the damp ground. When Monty found a worm near the lake, he gave a big cheer. When he cheered, he made a nearby deer jump with fear, and the deer ran into Monty. Monty could not move. "Oh dear," said the deer, "I appear to have hurt a meerkat here." So can you see all the different ways that we can make the ear sound? The deer put Monty on its back and walked near to the clear lake. He gently washed Monty and smeared the clear water all over him. Monty woke up. "Oh dear," he said, "I have a very sore head." The deer took Monty home. "I will live near to you for a year," said the deer. That's very kind, isn't it? "And help you to get better." So Monty and the deer became good friends, and after a year they gave a big cheer when Monty was better again. They wanted to live near each other for many, many years. So well done, Year 1. But you got most of those. If you got them all, amazing. And if I've missed one, I'm sorry, but I think I got them all. Okay, so going to be ready now for the next part of the lesson. Okay, Year 1, so it's over to you for what are the different ways we can make the air sound. Now, we've done quite a few this week, so have a go at writing them down on the whiteboard. And then when you're ready, you can see how many you remember. Okay, so the first one is the air sound, just as it looks there. So that's the air like that. The next one is air spelled like this, like bear. And then the next one is air spelled like this, which also is bear, but it's when you've got no clothes on. And then the last one is the air sound like this in words like where. So have a go, use your pen if it helps, or if you've got a proper microphone somewhere in your house, use your magic microphone and have a go at saying the different air sounds. Air, 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 air. Brilliant. And now we're going to do magic finger writing in the air. You need to do all 4 of these trigraphs that sound like air. So magic finger, writing in the air. Air, keep going just for a moment. Grown-ups, when your child's finished, start the video again. Right, next up, we've got countdown. Now, I'm going to set up, when you see the screen next, there's going to be a 2-minute counter in the corner, and as soon as you see that, you need to start reading these words. Good luck, year one. Okay, year one, welcome to our new activity. Now, this normally is a word relay, but obviously, if you're on your own, you're going to struggle to do a word relay. But what you might want to do is have a go at each of these challenges one at a time, thinking of as many words that use the different spellings of air. And you could put your whiteboard at one end of your room, and you could run to the other end of the room and run back and then write a new word down. So, for example, if you were doing challenge 1, you could think about your first word, which could be chair, air. Run to the end of your room, run back, or run to the end of the garden and back, and then have a go at writing the second word. And keep doing this until you run out of words that you can think of that use the AIR, the original trigraph for chair. And then you can do the same with the chair, with the air sound, which is EAR, the air sound, which is ARE, and the air sound, which is ERE. Good luck, year one. Grown-ups, pause this video until you're ready to go on to the final activity of the day, which is reading a sentence. Okay, and now our final challenge. Hope you've caught your breath. Reading sentence. So we're going to use the sound buttons to start off with. M, I, S, miss, air, square, sat, on, ch, air, ing, air, somewhere. Right, okay, so you have a go again using the sound buttons. And then finally reading the sentence for fluency. So, Miss Square sat on a chair eating a pear somewhere. Brilliant, year one. And that's the end of this week's phonics. Well done. Hope you have a lovely weekend and stay safe. Eve.